Hey guys, what's up? It's Mr. Moto back again with another video. If you watch my Instagram, you would know that I said that I'm going to be doing a cooking with Moto. So here it is. What we're going to be making today is, we've got some beef stir fry and some tortillas, taco seasoning, a couple other things. And we're going to be making some beef fajitas, I guess you would call them. So, just going to put everything except that in there. You don't need that. Get a spatula. So yeah. Okay, so you don't want to forget to put oil. I'm using number 4. That's medium on my stove. Put some vegetable oil, shortening, just something like that. Yeah. So guys, like I said, I've got the La Prevera, or however you say that, taco seasoning. What you'll need is, I don't know what that is. Oh well, it'll be fine. 2/3 cups of water and a whole thing of seasoning. Let's see how jankily I can set this up to. That might work. So, have a knife or scissors, or if you want to rip it, but it's about cutting. So, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that or not. But what you do is you dump it in. Get you a spoon and close your knife. Or a spoon probably, or fork. It's really anything you start with. This is in plain. Then you just mix it up, and when you're done cooking your meat, you can go ahead and put it in the bowl and put it in there and mix it all up. So yeah. Here's some other stuff that I bought, or well, mother bought, but I've got some Kurt's steak sauce. A1 will work. Some taco sauce. Sriracha. Oh yeah, shredded cheese too. Thanks for reminding me.
Well, don't get it out.
I ain't getting it out. You got that, and shredded cheese, and of course tortillas. So yeah. Okay, guys. So drain the oil. Now we're gonna put the sauce in it. Do that. Get it all in there. And excuse the background noise. Yeah. No. And then just do this. Get all the meat good and lathered in there. And boom. You got some beef tacos. I'm gonna show you how to prepare them, like on the thing and everything. So yeah.
I'm gonna have a good start on it.
I'm gonna do this for a couple more minutes, and then I'll show you how to wrap them up and everything. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you how to prepare this. You have to let your stuff simmer for about 15 minutes. That's what my packaging said on that stuff. So you make sure it's in frame. You can kind of see. Is that better? Yeah. So I got me some salad here. You don't have to put this, but I want some salad. Put some cheese on her, and then whatever kind of condiments you want. So yeah. So I'll talk about them while I'm getting me some ice cream. So, hope it's framed. Yeah. Got some chocolate chip cookie dough, ice cream. But yeah, they were really good. The way I did mine was the just traditional. Okay. So the traditional burrito wrap, and it was really good. I put sriracha sauce, A1 sauce, and taco sauce, cheese, and salad. And on the last one, I found some bacon bits. Put some bacon bits on it. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed Chef Boyar Retard's video here. So, yeah. Bye, guys.